going to the beach today. This is my bathing suit. I made it myself. I crocheted this top and the skirt. You can't really see. And this is the skirt. Yeah. This is David. Say hi.
Hi.
Look at the camera and say hi.
Hi.
My mom, say hi.
Hi. Hi to the camera.
This is my sister.
Hi.
That's so cute. It's a little motel. This is a for YouTube.
YouTube.
It's a cinematic
Yeah, it's your boy,
masterpiece.
you know, this and that. But about follow me app, you already know. No cameras, please.
Okay. Yo, he was playing some banger music. So we have to leave? They kicking us out?
Yeah, literally.
Do we look related? Oh, my camera's about to die. I don't think we look related.
That's crazy. Literally look the same.
No, we don't. My camera's gonna die. So my camera died and I forgot to film an outro for this video, but here it is. I hope you guys enjoy the video as much as I enjoyed it and as much as I enjoyed editing it. It was pretty fun. I really like this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and if you want to see like a little bit extra from me, make sure to go follow me on my socials as well. Those will be in the link, can't speak, in the link down below. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.